Good morning, Year 3. Here is the lesson input for lesson 4 of our maths lesson. We've got a quick activity to start with, which is counting in 20s and 200s, which is going to help you with your worksheet later. Okay, so if we start in 20s, it's a bit like counting in our twos, so we can use our knowledge of twos to help us. So we'll have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Okay, now we're going to be counting in 200. So again, you can use your knowledge of twos to help you. So we'll have 200, 400, 600. See if you can do the next one for me. 800, 1000. Okay, what is 1000 grams the same as? 1000 grams would be the same as 1 kilogram. Okay, so I'll write that down here. 1 kilogram. And then pause the video and see if you can complete this one for me. So again, it's counting in 200s. This time we have 1 kilogram in front of it. Okay, and there's some sticky knowledge here to help you. So you've got multiplication, you can use the long method or the short method, it is up to you. And then we've got some division. So I'll do the first one with you for the division, and then you can go off and try the last one. So we've got 72 divided by 3. Okay, how many 3's into 7? Would be 2, 3, 6. 0 in here, 3 times 2 is 6. Take those away, 2 take away 0 is 2. 7 take away 6 is 1. How many 3's go into 12 would be 4. 72 divided by 3 is 24. And then take 12 away to check our remainders. Okay, you have got 96 divided by 4. Then we have convert the following into meters. We have 3 kilometers, 456 meters, 7 kilometers, 9 meters, and 6 kilometers and 32 meters. So you need to remember in 1 kilometer, there are 1000 meters. So have a go at converting those for me. And then here you've got to find 1/3 of 33 and 1/8 of 72. So to find 1/3, you're going to divide by 3, counting your 3's until you get to 33. And then you're going to find 1/8 of 72. So again, using your 8 times table knowledge, how many 8's go into 72? The mass of the bag of rice is more than 3 kilograms. How can you tell its mass? So we need to figure out today what these small markings are worth. And today they are worth 200 grams. So each small marking here is going up in 200s, which is why we did the starter activity of counting in 20s and 200s. So here we've got a jar of jelly beans. It is past 1 kilogram and is pointing to the first small marking. So if each small marking is 200 grams, the mass of those jelly beans would be 1 kilogram, 200 grams. Okay, and then we've got 2 kilograms. This time it's pointing to the second marking, so we need to count it in 200. So we've got 200, 400. So the mass of the box is 2 kilograms, 400 grams. And then the bag of rice is pointing at the first marking again, so it's past 3 kilograms, so it would be 3 kilograms, 200 grams. Okay, now your guided practice. You have a bag of apples and a bag of rice. You need to work out what those items weigh. So remember, each marking is worth 200. So here it's past 1 kilogram, so it'll be 200, 400. 1 kilogram, 400 grams. Have a go at working out the bag of rice for me. Once you've done that, you are working on page 171. to 172 in your workbook, and it is worksheet 4. There is a worksheet in your book that looks a little bit like this. Okay, I'm just going to talk you through it because it might be a little bit tricky. So here you've got look at the watermelon and coconut and fill in the blanks. So you need to decide which one is lighter. So which one weighs the least amount, okay? And then which one is heavier. And then you've got to find the mass of the watermelon, but here it's got weights that are worth 200 grams. So in total it's got 800 grams of weights, and it's pointing to 2 kilograms, 200, 400, 600. So you would need to take away the 800 from 2 kilograms, 600 grams. Okay, so you can convert that to 2,600 grams. Take away 800 grams. And then while the mass of the coconut is about, again, you need to take off that 200 gram weight and just find the mass of the coconut. So if it's 2 kilograms, 200, take off the 200, it would be, find the answer. Okay, the watermelon is something heavier or lighter than the coconut. So again, you're finding the weight of that without these 200 gram weights on. So just the weight of the watermelon and just the weight of the coconut. If you have any issues and you do get stuck, please do send us a message on Dojo, and we will do our best to get back to you. Enjoy the rest of your day.